How to switch your control type in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Legend Fighter Mortal Battle and want to change the control type, then first of all, open the Legend Fighter Mortal Battle on your Android or iOS. Now once you do that, make sure that you're inside the game lobby page. From here, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. This will take you to settings where you'll need to select mode control. And inside select your control mode, you have two different options. You can choose the control touch option or the buttons control option. Just go ahead and select one. Since I previously used the button control, I'm gonna try this touch control over here. Just make a selection and click confirm. Now go ahead and enter a battle and you'll be able to see your control type changed. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.